Okay, so we are over Jerusalem, and I wanted to show you that green and these. But look, just watch. Oh, and there's one right there, just showed up. And gone. Pretty amazing. There's one there. It'll disappear. There you go. That one's been there for a little while. I've been watching it. And these are all lined up now where they weren't a minute ago. Is that something? Okay, let's pull out so you see where we're at. That's where we are. And that's that green. It's a cloud of green. Quite a cloud, too. Watch these. They move around. They change shapes. Yep. And then they disappear. Just watch. It's getting crazier.